Hail, fellow. Well met. Namaste. Peace. Carl, my brother.
Hey, Truth, where you at?
Just checking that you were no longer on government business. Where is he?
How the fuck would I know, man? He like the devil. Hey, man, you okay?
Everything is transient. Whoa, man. I'm passing through life same as every man.
Okay.
Do you have any idea what you're doing for Torino?
Nah, I seem to be on the need-to-know basis.
Oh, no, man. Two lies don't cancel each other out. You know that. We pay them to lie to us. Is that what our founding fathers wanted? No more, friend. No more. We're not alone.
Get off me, man. What's going on?
Everything is going on. Don't you get it? There's a place, not even on the map. A train is about to leave. It can explain better than I ever can. Boy, this is going to blow your fucking mind. We got work to do. You better drive. I'll explain. Elegance does not even touch it.
Hey, Truth, do we have a plan here?
Go, go, go!
Hey, hold up, dude!
That you, Mike?
Possible intruder sighted. Condition blue. Set searchlights.
What was that noise?
Installation personnel, please be aware we are at condition red. This is not a drill. This facility has been breached. All security personnel head to the research labs now.
I heard that.
Personnel are reminded that the downloading of pornography is strictly prohibited. The counterfeit lab would like to remind diagnostics that their fridge is off limits to diagnostic staff. Could whoever stole the counterfeit lab mugs please return them?
Please, no more violence. Take my pass card and go.
Code red. Code red. Intruder has penetrated the project. All military personnel to the launch bay immediately. General Mills on the line.
Carl, dude, man!
Hey, here you go. You better stash it somewhere fast.
Far out, have a nice trip, dude!
Hey, wait a... was it too much to ask to get a lift into town? Hello?
Carl, it's Woozy.
Hey, Woozy, man. What you been up to?
Come along and see for yourself. I got a little business proposition for you. Come over and see the setup, my friend.
Okay, for sure. I like that.
Like it? You're gonna love it! It's the Four Dragons Casino in Las Venturas. I'll see you soon, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Hey.
Carl, it's me, the Truth. We got a date with Destiny, man. In about 5 minutes.
Where you at?
At the old airplane graveyard you've been hanging around.
Catalina, is that you again?